One morning, Henry wasn't feeling well. He wouldn't come out of the shed.
Is it because you think it might rain today, Henry?
No, Thomas. I think there's something wrong with my boiler. I might not be able to pull my coaches today.
Maybe your firebox needs warming up. I'll go and fetch your coaches.
What are you so happy about today, Thomas?
If Henry doesn't come, I might get to pull his train.
It's not as easy as you think, Thomas. Pulling trains is hard work.
Thomas waited and waited, but still Henry didn't come.
Oh. You'll have to find another engine.
There's only Thomas, sir.
You'll have to do it then, Thomas. Be quick now.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Thomas raced around to the front of the coaches and backed up to them with a bump.
Oh. Don't be impatient now, Thomas. Wait until everything is ready.
But Thomas was far too excited and not really listening. Thomas heard the guard's whistle, so he took off before his coaches could be coupled up.
Thomas! Thomas! Stop! Come back!
I'm doing it! I'm doing it! I'm pulling a train!
Thomas, where are you going? I thought you were working in the yard.
Can't you see I'm pulling coaches, James? Edward says it's hard to pull trains, but I think it's easy.
Right, yeah. What? Come on! Hey, Thomas!
They're pleased to see me. They've never seen me pulling a train before. Oh, it's nice of them to wave. Oh, bother. That red signal means danger. I have to stop. What a nuisance signals are.
Hello, Thomas. What are you doing here?
I'm pulling my very first passenger train. Can't you see?
Really? Then where are your coaches?
Oh, no!
Back at the station, the passengers were all talking at once, telling the Fat Controller what a bad railway it was.
Please, everybody, please calm down. We will find another engine as soon as we... oh.
I'm sorry, sir. I really am.
I did say to wait until everything was ready, Thomas.
This time, Thomas waited to be coupled up, and for the passengers to climb on board.
Ready?
Yes, Thomas. Now we're ready.
The other engines thought it was very funny when they heard the story of Thomas's train.
I'm glad you came to work on the railway, Thomas. You always give us something funny to laugh about.
Aw, the Fat Controller will never let me pull trains again. But I want to go places and do things. I want to...
See the world! Don't be sad, Thomas. If you really want to go out, why don't you take my goods train tomorrow? I can take over in the yard if you like.
Really? Would you do that, Edward, for me?
Yes, Thomas, I would. Now, let's get some sleep, shall we?
Oh, Edward, I wish it was morning.